What is meant by a parameter called standby file management equals to auto? Standby file management can have two values. It will be auto or it can be manual also. So basically, standby file management means when you create a data file on your primary side, automatically that data file will be added to the standby side if the standby file management equals to auto option is enabled. By any chance, if you disable that option, you make it manual, standby file management equals to manual, then in that case what will happen, if you create or if you add a data file on your primary side, that data file you need to add it manually on the standby database side also.